Hey, what's up guys, Jake Whip here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a callout title effect inside of Davinci Resolve Fusion. So what's unique about this callout title among the many other tutorials is that it draws a line automatically between two different objects. So this one's made to be animated and not just set on the one point like many of the other ones are. So as you can see, it automatically draws this little white line here. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Alright, so here we go. We got a clean slate just to the mountain here. And I'm going to drop down a tracker node. Alright, and I'll just drag this to the top of the mountain here. What I did before was I made a really wide box, because otherwise it was getting confused. And then I made the search area a little bit bigger. Just like that. Now I'm going to go back to my other one and grab the tracking data just because I don't want to wait for that to track again. Because the bigger the box, the longer it takes to track. So now I'm going to go ahead and create the callout title. So I'm just going to make the little dot here by using an ellipse and a background. And we can merge this up right away. I'll make the background white and I'll make this ellipse a lot smaller, something like that. Then on the center position on the ellipse, I will right click, then do connect to tracker one path position. Okay, now as you can see, it locks right onto the top of that mountain. I'm actually going to go ahead and make this just a little bit smaller. There we go. Next we'll make the box. So I'll drag down a rectangle and another background and connect these two up via a merge node. I'll take the background, make that white, and then the rectangle I'll make to about the size that I want the text. Okay. And then on the rectangle, I am just going to move this over to the side, bring it up, and then put a keyframe at the beginning, go to the end, and move it down just a little bit. Now, if you want, you could apply this to another tracker, but I am not doing that in this case. So all you do is the same thing as last time. Now we'll drag down a polygon, and we will put that into a background and merge that up again. And if we view that, we can take the polygon and just add 2 points, and that's all we need to do. Right click on your first one and go down to the polygon 1 polygon, do publish, and then publish points. Publish points, okay? And that will make these points right here. So now we can just use this to move it and keyframe it. It's really kind of helpful. Alright, so now that we did that, in order to click on the top one, we need to go up here and do modify only, okay? So that'll only allow us to move it around. It won't close the polygon. Then I'm going to right click and do the same thing as last time. Publish points. Alright, and now point 0, I'm just going to do connect to tracker 1 path and then the position. So the same thing as the circle. And then for the point 1, I'm going to do connect to the path and then the position. And as you can see, that is drawing a line in between the rectangle and the circle. Now if we just go into the polygon, I can up the border width just a little bit. I'll make it the size that I want, and I forgot to change the background to a nice white. Now that we have that line drawn, I'm just going to drag down a text node, and I want it to be as a mask, so I'm going to put that as a mask into the merge one, and just do callout title. Alright. And now we can go into the position here and connect that to the path 1, okay? Alright, now we just need to go into the merge and then go to the settings and do apply mask inverted. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit subscribe for more tutorials like this. Comment down below if you guys want to learn how to do anything, and I'll see you guys next time.